Hello, my people. Vanuvedu, Abantu Bam, Mafetu. Welcome to the African electronic music production channel, African Electronic. In the instance that you are using the Note FX, which are basically the Midi effects in Studio One. So I'll just press I here, add the Note FX to this pigment. So I'm just going to unmute it, and I'm just going to use Studio One's arpeggiator. So maybe we can just go for a preset. I'll just use one of the presets that come with Studio One 5. And what does this sound like? Let's see. Okay, so say we want to record this and get the MIDI notes for this, because this is a native MIDI effects or Note FX from Studio One. Once you've got your pattern sorted here, your arpeggiation sorted here, maybe I'll just edit it just to show, like, actually no, that's off, so just to show how you can. Okay, so I like that. What I can simply do is, instead of going through the whole way of like routing onto another MIDI channel, etc., I can simply just right click and go to instrument parts, and I can just say render instrument parts. So just click here, but we've got our arpeggio. And interestingly, when you do that, as you can see over here, Studio One switches off the arpeggiator, because otherwise it would be like a double arpeggio. Basically, you'd be getting like your newly arpeggiated notes being arpeggiated again by the same settings that you had before, and you might not want that, but it could also bring about very interesting creative results. Let's try and see what happens there. See, and then what you can then do again is, oh, okay, I like this. See, off, on. So that's basically the arpeggiator on top of the arpeggio we just rendered. And what we can do is, we might think, okay, I really like that. So a good thing to do would be to duplicate this version here. So you can just press D in Studio One, which is great. So just press D, and what you can do is move that somewhere else, just for now. And right click. You see in Studio One remembers your most recent item and the most recent function, and what we used was render instrument tracks. So we can just press that now, and look, it's just rendered that part. It's just taken the arpeggio over the other arpeggio and made it into a sort of, put it in piano roll, made it into an instrument part like that. And we can then bring this back here. See, you can see the differences there. You can treat one as one variation and the other one as another variation. So let's play this one after the other. We can hear the variations playing one after the other. And that's it, really. Thanks so much. This has been the African electronic music production channel, African Electronic. I hope to see you next time. Peace.